Hello everyone. Today we are exploring a critical topic that affects many of us, anxiety. Especially, we will examine how Buddhism offers a unique and profound approach to curing anxiety. This isn't just about reducing stress and finding lasting peace and calm. So let's dive into this fascinating subject together. Anxiety is something most of us have experienced at some point in our lives. It's that nagging feeling of worry, fear, or unease, often about something that might happen in the future. It can be overwhelming and debilitating. But if I told you that there's a way not just to manage anxiety but to transform it, Buddhism provides powerful tool and insight to help us do just that. At the heart of Buddhism is the practice of mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being fully present in the moment, paying attention to our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. When we are anxious, our minds usually race ahead, worrying about future events or dwelling on past mistakes. Mindfulness teaches us to bring our focus back to the present moment where we can find peace and clarity. One of the Buddhism's fundamental teaching is the concept of impermanence. Everything in life is constantly changing. This can be a comforting thought when we are anxious because it reminds us that our current feelings of anxiety are also temporary. They will pass. By embracing the idea of impermanence, we can learn to let go of our fears and anxieties, knowing that they are not permanent fixtures in our lives. Buddhism also teaches about suffering and how to overcome it. The Four Noble Truths are central to this teaching. The first truth acknowledges that suffering is a part of life. The second truth identifies the cause of suffering as attachment and desire. The third truth offers hope, stating that it is possible to overcome suffering. And the fourth truth provides the path to this liberation, the Noble Eightfold Path. The Noble Eightfold Path is a practical guide to ethical and mental development. It consists of right understanding, right intent, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. By following this path, we can develop a deep sense of inner peace and wisdom which helps alleviate anxiety. Now let's talk about meditation. Meditation is a cornerstone of Buddhist practice and one of the most effective tools managing anxiety. There are various forms of meditation, but they all aim to calm the mind and cultivate inner peace. By setting aside each day to meditate, we can train our mind to be more focused, present, and resilient in the face of anxiety. One specific form of meditation that is particularly helpful for anxiety is loving kindness meditation, also known as metta. This practice involves directing love and compassion towards ourselves and others. It starts with wishing ourselves well-being and happiness, then gradually extending those wishes to others, including those with whom we may have conflicts. This practice can help reduce feelings of anxiety by replacing them with feelings of love and compassion. In addition to meditation, Buddhism encourages the practice of ethical living. This means living in a way that minimizes harm to ourselves and others. When we act with integrity and kindness, we reduce the cause of anxiety in our lives. For example, being honest in our relationships, being generous, and avoiding actions that cause harm can create a more peaceful and anxiety-free life. Another powerful concept in Buddhism is non-attachment. Often, our anxiety stems from our attachments to certain outcomes, possessions, or relationships. Practicing non-attachment teaches us to appreciate and enjoy things without clinging to them. This doesn't mean we become indifferent, but rather that we recognize the transient nature of all things and learn to let go gracefully. Let me share a personal story that illustrates these principles. A few years ago, I was going through a practical stressful period. I was constantly worried about the future and felt overwhelmed by my responsibilities. Then I decided to attend a Buddhist meditation retreat. During the retreat, I practiced mindfulness and meditation daily. I learned about the Four Noble Truths and the Noble Eightfold Path. Most importantly, I experienced the peace of being fully present in the moment. One day during a meditation session, I had a profound realization about impermanence. I understood deeply that my anxieties were temporary and that they would pass. This realization brought me a sense of relief and freedom. I also practiced life kindness meditation, which helped me cultivate compassion for myself and others. By the end of the retreat, my perspective had shifted insignificantly. I felt calmer, more grounded, and better equipped to handle my anxiety. In conclusion, Buddhism offers a comprehensive approach to curing anxiety. Through mindfulness, meditation, understanding impermanence, and practicing ethical life, we can transform our relationship with anxiety and find lasting peace. These teachings remind us that while anxiety is a part of life, it doesn't have to control us. By embracing these practices, we can cultivate a calm and resilient mind capable of facing life challenges with grace and wisdom. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the Buddhist approach to curing anxiety. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on mindfulness and well-being. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, you may find peace and tranquility on your path.